The next three sections are for technologies that are new on the CCNA exam. That's QoS, Quality of Service, which we're going to cover in this section, and then Cloud Computing, and finally SDN, Software Defined Networks. So for these three new sections, Cisco don't expect you to know how to configure them. What they do expect you to know is what they are and have a foundational level knowledge of how they work. So that's what I'm going to cover in the course. But to be honest, QoS, the original driver for that was voice and video. And I used to specialize in voice and video back in the day. So I love QoS. So I'm actually going to give you more information here than is really required for the exam. I'm going to give you the foundational level knowledge and a bit more as well. And I'll show you the configuration so that you're going to really understand how QoS works. So you're going to be able to breeze through any QoS questions on the exam and also take this forward when you do any further studies and also into the real world as well. So let's get started with quality of service.